Despite the weather cooling down, we have more birds than at any other time on the lake today, including tens of swans. I mean, possibly dozens. There's lots of them. We thought everything would start to disappear, but no, there are more here than ever. Ducks, geese, swans, there's tons of stuff. It's great. I guess they're all busy getting ready for winter though. You can hear some of them way over there, the swans, flapping about and making a noise. There they are. Excellent. Having a wee bit of a stramash. So it's really great to see them all here.